We start by writing the first equation exactly as given. Now write the second equation. We will clear the fractions before eliminating. For the first equation, the common denominator is 6, so multiply both sides by 6. This removes the denominators. Keep the parentheses, especially after the minus sign. Distribute carefully. The minus before the second parentheses changes both signs. Combining like terms gives the first simplified linear equation. For the second equation, the common denominator is 12. The fractions are now cleared in the second equation. Distribute each term. Here the signs come from plus 3 times the second parentheses. Combining like terms gives the second simplified linear equation. To eliminate y, multiply the second simplified equation by -5. Every term on both sides must be multiplied, not just one side. Now add the modified equation to the first simplified equation. The y terms cancel, leaving a single equation in x. Divide both sides by -34. So, x equals 18. Substitute x equals 18 into the equation x plus 5y equals 48. Subtract 18 from both sides. Divide by 5 to get y. The solution is the ordered pair 18, 6. The original denominators are constants, so none of them creates a variable restriction. Therefore, no variable values are excluded by the original fractions.